Hi everybody, how you doing? It's Sarah. We are starting today in the shower because we got little Ozzy here. Hi Ozzy. Hi Ozzy. He's a sweet boy. I think he's like middle-aged, but he's like a Catahoula. He's a working dog mix. Not exactly sure all of his breeds, but he's very sweet and very pretty. Aren't you pretty? About medium size. I think he's like probably, I'll have to weigh him, but I think he's like probably over 50 pounds. 45 to 50 maybe. But he's just here to get his regular Deshed bath and blow dry. That's it. And I'll try to do his nails. We don't often succeed, but we try sometimes. So I can maybe sneak in one or two here and there, so I'll do the best I can. It'll probably just be sped up because bath and blow dry takes a long time, so I usually do it in time lapse. So it'll be a speedy video this time, pretty short. So anyway, hey buddy, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Hopefully it'll be a really quick day for him. Just a quick bath and blow dry. All right, see you. We're back from the bath. Hi, Betty. Ozzy's doing pretty good. He actually managed to let me cut like, I think 8. Let's see how many he's got for 16. So probably like 14 out of 16 or 12. I don't know. I think I got all but like 2 or 3 nails. That's what I'm trying to say. So that's pretty good. That's better than last time. I think I just missed this one. Maybe that one. I don't know. Anyway, so we're gonna put his happy hoodie on and we're gonna go ahead and get his undercoat blown out. This is like one of my favorite parts. Kind of my favorite, but also like I get covered in hair, so it's not my favorite, but I love to see the hair fly away and come off the dogs and just go away. It's my favorite thing, and I'm sure they feel so much better afterwards because yeah, he is losing a ton of hair still after all that. So we'll go ahead and get started with his blow dry. Oh, and I did spray him with some Hydra Ultra dematting and finishing spray just because I love it. It's just something I do all the time before blow dry on all the doggies. So all right, we'll go ahead and get started. here, that's a brush. We're all done. I was able to get a little bit of here from far away, but he didn't like it. But he did pretty good. He did pretty good. He handled it okay for the most part. Oh, it's just loud. And I don't think he liked the happy hoodie very much. He was very happy to get that thing off. He was happy to get the happy hoodie off. Anyway, so I'm just gonna brush through them one more time. And I think we're all done. And so it's 1:30. I just texted his mom. We got started at almost 12:20. I want to say 12:15, 12:20. Probably 12:20-ish. That's when I started that first video. So that's not bad. That's a little over an hour. This guy goes pretty fast, even though we do 2 shampoos and 2 conditioners. So yeah, I didn't really talk about the products. I will list them all below in the description box, but I did use Squeaky Clean from iGroom for the first shampoo, and then the Furminator Deshed shampoo and conditioner, and then I added the Hydra Moisturizing conditioner to the end, the last condition. And I just rinsed them out. Oh, and I used Mr. Ben's earwash and that tank and something green scrubby, rubber scrubby thingy. Tank and Sherman, I think it's called. Tank and Sherman, yeah. So just gonna go back, because every time I do that and I blow away all the hair, at least I think it's all the hair, and then I come back and nope, still come back and brush him really good, I get more hair, so, or fur, whatever you call it. So I'm just trying to kind of go through and be a little bit more thorough, but he will, he's Mr. Shaky Dude. He shook a lot, so I apologize if my camera lens got clouded with soap and or water droplets, and you can't see very well. I have to go back and watch the video to see that, but he shook a ton. He did not like the water on him, but he's all clean and dry and fluffy and soft, and you smell really good. Yeah, you do. So his one ear, this one was okay, but his one other ear was pretty dirty, so I tried to clean it as much as I could. But his mom should be on her way soon. I'll let her know. I think it's his left ear. It was like more dirty than the other one, so. Good boy, buddy. I see more hair coming out. Still shaking. Shaking like crazy. Yeah. Up here still a little bit damp, so that'll just have to take the time to, nope. You don't like this, do you? No. You don't like it, do you? I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, you're a good boy. Yeah. You're a good boy. Yeah, this didn't take very long at all. Barely an hour. I always tell him like an hour and a half to 2 hours, just in case. I even able to get some of his nails. I wasn't really going to spend a lot of effort trying, because I figured I'd try 1 or 2. Just hasn't been a very good track record for trying to get his nails, and he just really fights with me. But this week, apparently, I've been doing amazing. Somehow, they've been letting me do it. So they're not perfect, but I got all but a couple of them done. And he's kind of done with me. I don't know that he would let me do it, but they're not terrible. Like you can see he's not even like, he's like, no, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm sorry, buddy. But see, I got those 2, and I think I missed that one, but it's not bad. It's just below the pink, so I think it's okay to leave it. Did you want to lay down, buddy? Yeah, you can lay. You want to just get down. Okay. All right. Here, sit. There we go. You can sit. Okay, wait for me. I'm going to get you a pretty bandana. Let's just say handsome bandana. We'll put it on you. Oh my goodness. Why are you still shedding? This is like, once I start it, because it didn't look bad when he came in. Like I was doing this and I wasn't roughing up a lot of hair. But once it got wet and we just started losing the undercoat, it won't stop now. So, and they brush him a ton, and it just keeps going. But hopefully this will help. We got a ton out. I don't know if you could see my shower, but my shower was covered and the drain was getting clogged. So we got a ton of your hair. We got it. We got it all out. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't look bad now. It's all cleaned out now, but it was pretty bad. So, all right, let's get you a bandana. Let's get you a bandana. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, buddy. See, I like the red one on you. You look handsome in the red. I think we did orange last time. We'll do red. I'm kind of on a red kick. What do you think? You gotta sit back for a minute. There we go. Oh, you're so handsome. You're so handsome. Good boy, Ozzy. Good boy. Yes, you are. Look at your face. You're so sweet. Oh, sweet boy. You're so handsome. Oh, I forgot to take before pictures of you, but you didn't look a whole lot different. Just a little less fluffy and a little more hairy, I think. I don't know. All right, say bye-bye. Can you shake? Oh, good shake, Ozzy. Good boy. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We're going to send this guy home so he can chill. Okay, bye.